Good morning, children. Welcome to Sri Vidya Rambam Academics. Education starts here. Today, we are going to learn chapter 1 lesson food. Okay, I'm showing what I'm showing. Yes, what did you eat at home today? Find out what your friend also ate today, children. Just talk to him and find out. Anyway, you do that. So, did you eat the same kind of food yesterday? No. So we all are eating different kinds of food at different times of the day. Correct? Morning, tiffin, afternoon, lunch and the evening dinner. So what I am showing here is rice, then fruits, and what is this? Chana, and this is sapota. Correct? So that is fruits. I am showing you fruits also, and I am showing you the cereals also. Correct? Next. Now, yes, children. What is this? These are, vegetables. Correct. What can you see? You can see brinjal, tomato, then ridge gourd, bottle gourd. Here you can see bottle gourd. Okay. And then brinjal. And here you can see one eggs also, no? So, if you eat one egg every day, it will keep a doctor away. Yes. Now, we are going on to our topic. Now, we have seen different types of foods. No? Now we will discuss what type of foods the people will eat in the day.
Go.
Yes, children. You have friends also in the school, no? They eat the same type of food which you are eating? No, right? Some children they will eat veg, some are eating non-veg. In the morning you eat idli, some other your friend will eat puri, other child will eat chapati. That means the north side people. So all the people are not eating the same type of food. Today our topic is food, no? So when you ask in the school about different items, they would be eating. They are eating different items every day. So if you can get this information from your friends, staying away in the different states of India, you can list many items. In that way, you can make one activity. That is in India, all over India. For example, in the north side, they eat more of chapati items. Okay, chapati and less of rice. Now in the south, they will eat more of rice items, less of chapatis, or less of the wheat items. Okay, products. So like that only, when you take in the east side and when you take in the north side, so according to that you have different states and the food habits are different. So now you can make a list, like suppose for example Calcutta you take, what is the main food item they eat there, that is fish. Okay, so and they like very much fish there. So name of the student or friend, you can make a tabular form. It is given in the textbook like this, and the food item they eaten in the day. That is what it is given in the textbook. In this way you can make one activity, no? Now there seems to be so much of variety of food items, no? So think about rice cooked at home, children. So how it is cooked at, now we will talk about ingredients. Ingredients, INGREDIENTS. Ingredients means what are the items which we are using in the cooking. Suppose you take rice. So how it is cooked, mummy? How she cooks the rice? Only the rice. It is taken and water. With these two things only. That is the raw rice. They take white color and they cook the rice is cooked. Okay. In that way, suppose you ask your mummy how she prepares vegetables, how she prepares dals. Okay. Different types of ingredients are used in all the things. Like when she is making vegetable curry, she will have to cut all the vegetables, all masalas and salt, mirchi powder and oil. All these things she has to take and fry it, and nicely she has to sort it, and she has to keep it ready and close it for some time, steam it, and then only it will be ready. So this is the procedure. Okay, we are talking about the ingredients. Next is the roti, chapati. How they are made? They are made with atta and water, and dal with pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee, spices. Okay, so now we will learn you can learn all these things. That is, you can discuss with your parents and your elders how they are preparing with the different spices, the different items. When we are making the pickles, we use different types of items. Okay, so now we will learn how these products are extracted from where. What is the source? Source means what, children? What do you mean by source? SOURCE. This is a very important word. Yes, source. Source means from where you are getting it. That is called source. What is the source of our food? Our main source of food is plants and animals. Okay. So from plants what we are getting? We are getting vegetables, fruits, correct? And from animals what we are getting? We are getting, from hen we are getting eggs. We make chicken out of hen. Then mutton, correct? So, and vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, everything we are getting from the plants. So now we will discuss about short. I will not take much of time to you, so that I want to make it interesting. నేను ఎక్కువ సోది చెప్పదలుచుకోలేదు నాన్న. అప్పుడు మీరు NCERT టెక్స్ట్ బుక్, ఐఎమ్ ఫాలోయింగ్ NCERT టెక్స్ట్ బుక్. Please, you also take it. It is very easy for you to prepare for the exam. Then I will make a different video for the important question and answers. This is 6th grade, and the objective of my lesson is your understanding subject science. Okay, I'm coming back to my subject. It is very easy for us to guess the sources of the ingredients that are listed. Yes, children. So fruits and vegetables are coming from the plants, and then the sources of rice, wheat, everything, these are also paddy, wheat. From the fields only we are getting rows and rows of plants. See here, like this they sow, and the source of the food grains is this paddy field, wheat grains transported. Okay, children. So this is all the sources, how we are getting the wheat and the rice. See here. Okay, this is one part. It is clear. Now we will go to the animals. Now the animals, if you take different animals, we are using in the different purposes. That is sheep, mutton we prepare from that. Okay, goat. Okay, and then this is hen, chicken we prepare from that. Some people they kill the pigs also, and pork also they eat in some countries. Okay, so that means the animal also they are much. See, fishes are there. Fishes are also is a source of food as the non-vegetarians. So many people they like crab, fish, all these things. Okay, so now you can make a food item ingredient sources like a chart which is shown in the textbook. And idli, what is the ingredients, what are the sources? Chicken curry, what are the ingredient sources? Kheer, ingredient sources. So make it, it will be very interesting for you. Now we will learn the parts of the plant and how the plant is useful to us. Just have a check at the board, children. See. So now what do we conclude is from these activities, the plants are the sources of our food. Ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables and fruits. No? So the animals also they provide us milk, meat products, meat and eggs. Now what are the main sources of our food? Animals means what animals? Not all the animals, no. Like the jungle, if you see, you have wild animals. Wild animals is not our source. We are talking about our cattle where we grow, that is take care of. These are all the animals are called the cattle animals. They are useful for us for the cattle, like cow, goats and buffaloes. They are all the common animals which give us milk and milk products like butter, cheese, curd, cream. These are all used all over the world. So now can you name some other animals which give us milk? Okay, when I am asking you the questions, I will give the important question answers, then you can put it in the comment box. Now we may eat many different leafy vegetables, no? So we are eating leafy vegetables. Mummy is preparing dal also out of it, right? So sometimes the roots of some plant we eat, some stems we eat, even flowers we eat. How we are eaten the pumpkin flowers dipped in the rice paste and fried. Try it, it is very nice. So some plants have 2 or more edible parts. That is the seeds of the mustard plants give us oil, and leaves also they give us the vegetables. Can you think of the different parts of a banana plant, children? They are used in the different purposes of food as we prepare. You can discuss about this with your mummy. I will also explain you now. Think of more examples, children, where 2 or more parts or the single plant is used as food. See, children, have a look. See, this is flower and this is a fruit. I am showing you the parts of the plant. These are the different edible parts of a plant. See how much the plant is useful to us. This is stem, this is leaf, and this is bud. This part is upper part, it is called as node, and now down part, this part is called internode. And here you have this whole, that is this is mud. Okay, down to the earth, this is earth, no, that means mud. Where down to this you have roots of the plant. and upper part is called a shoot system and down part is called a root system. You have first beginning of the plant down to earth, it is primary root, and then when you go down it is the secondary root. Is it clear, children? Now the different plants it is used. Sometimes see flower, you have cabbage, like cauliflower, everything, these are all now they are also available. This is also one part of the plant. Leafy vegetables there, and some more leafy vegetables are spinach, okay, methi, fenugreek leaves, all these we put it in the dal and mummy will prepare, no? And now fruits, different fruits are there, tomatoes, chilies, all these are all, and then pumpkin, so all these, so many, etc. You have bottle gourd, ridge gourd, brinjal, all these are the fruit, these are the parts of a plant, that is they are the fruiting parts of a plant, that is you can't call them as fruit, those are the fruiting parts of the plant which we are eating as a vegetables. Now this is stem and these are leaves, different leaves we are eating, just now I discussed. Okay children, now for this you can make one tabular form also, it is given in the textbook. You can show the food item with the plant as a major source, then ingredients like brinjal curry. What are the ingredients? Brinjal, chili oil from the groundnut, mustard, soya bean, any other plant, and then plant part which gives us the ingredient, that is the fruit, and this mustard oil is a seed. So in this way you can prepare, children. That's very interesting and it is very easy for you for your understanding. Just now I showed you the chana seeds, how they are useful, children, in the beginning of my video. When you soak it and wrap it in one white cloth and keep it aside for the overnight, when the morning you see this experiment you do, morning you get amazing results, like you the chana will get sprouted, okay, sprouts, they are very healthy food for us. It is snack and it is very good for our health if you eat it in the morning, okay children, in the breakfast. Then whole moong and its sprouts also you can, it is given in the textbook, see, moong or chana. Put a small quantity of seeds in a container filled with water, children, and leave this aside for a day. Next day when you drain the water completely and leave the seeds in the vessel, when you wrap them in the piece of a wet cloth and set aside, next day what happens? They get sprouted. So if you if not wash the seeds and water and drain the water and leave it aside for another day, that's it. When you keep it in the wet cloth, they get sprouted. Just now I explained, you know. Now see here in another way how the plants are useful. On the big plants in the wildlife, that is in the jungles, when you go in the forest, these beehives, see, this is a beehive, they keep it on the big trees, okay. So from that only we are obtaining the honey. This is a path they are showing, clearing these bees, no, this is a part will be left out, and from this only we are getting our honey, okay children. So in that way, in different way, the animals and the plants are useful to us. Now what do animals eat? You can see a dog, cat, buffalo or goat, what it eats? Yes, maybe you are answering but I can't listen, this is only the disadvantage. So see here how this squirrel is eating. How will they surely be aware of the food the animal eats, children? What about the animals? Have you ever observed a squirrel, pigeon or lizard or a small insect when it is eating the food? Just see that, enjoy the nature around you, children. Now these animals, what they are eating is, cattle generally they take grass only, children, okay. Food, their main food is grass. Cat, what it will eat? It will be it will kill it will drink milk, and also it will kill the mouses, okay. Next a dog it will eat, dog will eat non-veg also, dog will drink what? Milk also, okay children. These are the different foods. You can make a nicely tabular form which is given in the textbook, name of the animal and food item the animal eats, okay. Now there are 3 divisions. This is very interesting for you and easy. This is the from very small classes you are learning this from the first grade. Herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. What are herbivores? The plants that produce, that means the animals that are dependent on their food on the plants are called, yes, you are correct, maybe you are answering, I can't listen, no, herbivores. What they are called? Herbivores, okay children. This, Next, the animals which are dependent on the food for on the other animals are called carnivores. Then the animals which are dependent on the other plants, both on other plants and animals, are called omnivores. Here, examples are here. You have, yes, exactly, you are right. Human beings, they come under omnivores only. See, some people we are eating vegetables also. Some vegetarians we are and there we are eating flesh and meat also. No, they are non-vegetarians. Okay, herbivores are cattle like goats, sheep, correct, and then deer. All these they come under these herbivores. Okay, children. Next, carnivores are tiger, lion, correct, and then dog also. That is also a carnivore only. Sorry, dog will come under omnivores, children, because it eats both the plant. It is dependent on the plant products also, animals also, no, flesh. Now carnivores are cheetah, leopard, lion, tiger, all these animals, flesh eating animals. So omnivores are human beings, bear, all these things, crow, correct, no? So these are the omnivores. This is all you know very well. You can make a tabular form. It is given in the textbook: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. This is cow here. Yes, main I forgot to tell you: herbivores cow, then carnivores lion, omnivores dog. Correct? Yes, children. Next is the keywords we are going to learn in the textbook, which are given here. This is the end of the lesson. The keywords are ingredients, edible, nectar, sprouted seeds, herbivore, carnivore, omnivore. Okay, children? There is a lot of variation in the food eaten in the different regions of India. So I want to precisely tell you the lesson which I have taught you. The main sources of food we discussed. Then animals which eat only plants, those are called herbivores. Just now I discussed what are herbivores, omnivores, carnivores, and this is the end of the lesson. And you can go through in the textbook. They are given many questions to you, and they have suggested some projects and activities. Fill in the blanks, please fill it up, and things, if you have any doubts, keep it in the comment box. I'll answer you. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.